Hello guys, let's see one of the most important topic in nursing management, that is leadership, which was most frequently asked questions in university examination. So let's have a look onto it. Okay. So let's see the definition of leadership. Leadership is the ability of individual or a group of people to influence and guide followers or members of an organization, society, or team to achieve common goals. That means leadership is the quality of the leader that's needed in order to guide or motivate the members of organization or his or her subordinates to achieve the common goals of the organization. Okay. Another definition: nursing leadership is the process by which a nurse influences two or more people to achieve specific goals in providing care to one or more clients. That means nursing leadership, a nurse influences two or more people, two or more other nurses in order to attain the specific goals regarding the patient. Okay. Now let's see the qualities of nurse leadership. So the important qualities are positivity. That means a nurse leader must be positive enough. Then she should have adequate self confidence, bravery. Then should have adequate education and experience. Then should be fair minded and have a flexible attitude according to the situations. She should be visionary, goal oriented, good listener, and efficient in providing care. Then she should be a risk taker. Then also had decision making capacity according to the changing needs of the organization. Okay. So let's move on to the most important part of the question, that is leadership styles. Okay. So the leadership, different leadership styles are: first one is autocratic or authoritarian leadership. From the name itself, in autocratic or authoritarian leadership, the power is within the leader. That means the leader take the decisions regarding the or institution or organization. That means he give commands and instruction to the workers without getting any suggestion from the workers. He does not take into consideration about the interest of the employees. You can remember it by the statement, I will decide and you should follow. Okay. Then the next type is democratic or participative leadership. In democratic or participative leadership, both the leader and the employees are involved in making the decisions and plans regarding the institution. The statement here we can remember is, we will decide and we will do. Then the third type is laissez-faire or freerian or delegative leadership. In this type of leadership, the complete decision and the plans regarding the organization is taken by the employees and the responsibility is within the leader. Here the employees take the decision, but the responsibility of the plans and decision will belong to the leader. This type of leadership is employed usually where the subordinates are highly qualified. Then the fourth type is transactional leadership. In this type of leadership, the leader will divide the work into good work, bad work, and unfinished type of work, and rewards are given for good work and punishment are given for the bad work. Then the fifth type is transformational leadership. In transformational leadership, the leader give care, encouragement, and motivation to the employees to achieve the common goal. Here the leader act as the motivating factor for the employee in order to achieve the goals of the institution. Then sixth type is situational leadership. In situational leadership, the leader changes the decision according to the changing needs of the organization. Then the next type is charismatic leadership. In charismatic leadership, the leader possesses certain qualities such as the leader is energetic, influencing, good personality, and have trust in self, and people follow because of his personality. That's about charismatic leadership. Example for charismatic leadership is Mahatma Gandhi. We follow him because of his personality. Then the eighth one is servant leadership. In this type of leadership, the leader give priority to the needs of the team and focuses on the development of the employees. Okay. Example is Mother Teresa. Okay. The ninth one is visionary leadership. In this type of leadership, the leader focuses on the long-term goals and inspire other with compulsion or by compelling the workers to achieve for the long-term needs of the organization. Then the 10th type is pace setting leadership. In this type, the leader sets high performance standard because he act as an employee for the he act as an example for the employees. Okay, this type is pace setting leadership. Then moving on to the theories. Okay, so the first theory of leadership is trait theory. Okay, according to this theory, the leaders possess specific innate qualities or traits that distinguishes them from a non-leader. Examples are confidence, intelligence, etc. Okay, Gandhiji exhibited traits like perseverance, empathy, and vision, which make him a charismatic and effective leader. That means, according to trait theory, certain traits are possessed by the leaders. Okay. The next type is behavior theory. According to this theory, leadership is based on observable behavior rather than inherent traits. Okay. Here, importance is given to behavior. So, so a common man can learn and adapt to effective behavior in order to change into a leader, or in order to become a leader he need to learn and adapt effective behavior. Okay, the next type is contingency theory. According to this theory, effective leadership depends on the context and how well the leader's styles fit the situation. Okay, the leadership depends upon the context and how well the leader style fit to the situation. Example, Winston Churchill was highly effective leader during the World War II. Okay, due to his decisive and assertive style, which suited the crisis. However, the same style was less effective in the peacetime politics. Okay, so the leadership depends upon the situation. Okay, then the fourth type is situational leadership. Here also the leader should adapt the style based on the team's maturity and competency. Then the next type is great man theory. According to this theory, leadership is an inherent quality of great man. Okay, who are born with the ability to lead. Example, Alexander the Great is often cited as great man who demonstrated exceptional leadership qualities. Okay, so the next type is role theory. That means it suggests that the leader's behavior is shaped by societal expectation and norms associated with the role. Okay, this is about the role theory of leadership. So the next type is leadership grid theory. It concerns about work to be done compared to their concerns for their people. Okay. Then the additional types are path goal theory. In path goal theory, the leader clear the obstacles and help the followers to achieve the goals and adapting their style to match their needs of the team. Okay. You can also add transformational leadership, transactional leadership, servant leadership, along with the theories of leadership. Okay, hope all you got the points. Thank you.